Welcome to PSM for Solution Math. I'm your tutor Sumant here. Today we are going to learn icse syllabus, class 9th mathematics, compound interest using formula method, Excel's 3B. Fourth question. Kamal and Anand each lent the same sum of money for 2 years at 5% at simple interest and compound interest respectively. Anand received rupees 15 more than Kamal. Find the amount of money lent by each and the interest received. This is a question. Here the question is, see Kamal and Anand, the two persons, they have kept the same money for the lent, means they have kept in a bank or somewhere for the interest. So they have kept for 2 years, and very importantly, the Kamal have kept that money for the simple interest and the Anand have kept that money for the compound interest. So you know what is simple interest and compound interest. Already I have explained about this. So here obviously the Kamal what he are going to get the interest is will be lesser because it is simple interest, and Anand what he is going to take it is more. So their next line they have said that Anand received 15% more than Kamal. This is the very important statement. Here the important statement is 15 more than the Kamal, means what is the amount the Anand received, that is a simple interest, sorry, compound interest, it is more than 15 rupees than the Kamal. Find out the money lent by each and the interest received, means here they have told you to find what the money, the common money, the same money they have kept, the same sum of money they have kept. So that is what is that money, and what the interest received by Kamal or the interest received by Anand for the 2 years. So according to that we will write it down, and obviously here you can see they have not mentioned any how much money that is for they have lent for the bank or somewhere, so that is not given. So we will take let the money for lent, or we can write it on the principal amount, the P is equals to, and both of them are kept the same amount. So it is obviously we don't know, so rupees X we will take because we don't know how much money they are kept. So let it be X, and afterwards they have said that this is the money lent by both, that is Anand and who, that is Kamal, because same money they have kept. So you can write down Kamal and Anand. Separately they have kept. Okay, that is not for same amount. Same amount. For example, Kamal have kept 100 rupees, means Anand also have kept the 100 rupees. For example, I am saying. So let us go through the different way. Now the Kamal I will take it here separately, and here I will take Anand. So separately I am writing because we have to find separately here, because already they have mentioned here, that is the money what they have kept, it is same, but they have kept for simple interest and also for the compound interest. So here according to that we will write it on Kamal. So you know I will write on principal amount here. Principal amount P is equals to X because already we have taken X. So here also the principal amount is same, that is P is equals to X, rupees X. Okay, both of them have kept the same amount. Therefore next rate of interest is also same, rate of interest also the same, that is 5%, and here also I will take directly, that is R is equals to 5%. And what is the change here, that is here the n value, that is a time, okay, period of time, that is equals to 2 years here, and here also the time will be 2 years, but here we will take the time as n. Okay, so we will take the time as n, and that is 2 years again, so 2 times. So next we have to go through the simple interest for the Kamal, because we have already mentioned simple interest is equals to PTR upon 100, PRTD upon 100, PTR upon 100, both are same. So similarly we will go for this Anand, that is compound interest. So compound interest formula, that is A minus P. Remember compound interest formula is A minus P, not here they have not told you to find the final amount, so we will take the compound interest formula, that is equals to A minus B. So don't get confused, we are finding the compound interest formula using the A, but they have told you to find the compound interest, so I am taking here a minus p. So next one, a, what do you mean by a? That is something but p into 1 minus r divided by 100. That is interest, it is positive, it is means it will be raised to n minus p. So this is the formula. So let us substitute and find the answer. I will take little bit down and everything is here only. Let us substitute that and let us find the final answer. Obviously, first we will go for the Kamal because his answer is in a simple interest form. So simple it is. So calculate. Simple interest is equals to P means principal amount, X we have taken, time being 2 years and rate of interest 5 divided by 100. Obviously 5 ones are 5 20s are we will go and 2 ones are and 2 tens are. So here the answer of simple interest is equals to X by 10. This is the simple interest. We can write it down like this way. Okay, so next we will move further. So we will go to this other side. So we will find the similar way. And one more important thing they have mentioned that I will discuss later on. So here the principal amount we have taken X, and here obviously the P can be taken common. Okay, so let it be, afterwards we can take it common. 1 plus rate of interest is 5 divided by 100 raised to 2 minus P. Means P means what here? X. So we have taken the principal amount as X. So we will take as X only. And obviously here you can see the X and X is common. So we will take that X and X common and we will write separately outside the bracket. And inside it will remain 1 plus, here I can calculate 5 ones are 5 20s are, so here it will be 1 by 20 raised to square. And obviously here minus 1 will remain because I have taken the X common. See, this X is already taken common outside the bracket, so it will remain 1. So next, importantly, further I am moving. First I will go up and just I will tell you one more important thing. Here they have mentioned here 15 more than the Kamal, means Anand is receiving 15 more than the Kamal, that is interest. Okay, simple interest is receiving more. Anand is receiving more, 15 rupees more than the Kamal. The Kamal is receiving the simple interest how much? X by 10. Okay, X by 10 is receiving, and Anand, this is about the Kamal we are talking about. The Anand will receive 15 more, that I will not have not written, that I will write it down. So here one statement I will write down. Simple interest, that is plus 15. So simple interest of whom, that is I will write it down, otherwise it will confuse you. Simple interest of Kamal plus 15 rupees more, that is equals to compound interest of whom? Anand. This is a very important statement. So 15 rupees more they have told. Obviously principal amount is same. So interest in that the 15 rupees must be more. So simple interest of the Kamal plus the 15 rupees, if we'll add together, that will become the component for the Anand, because the principal amount is both of them having the same. So there must be change in compound interest and the simple interest. So that they have given according to the question I'm written this. So I have not taken by my own thing. This is given by the statement. So here is that statement I have already marked. So in bracket, if you want, you can write it down here by statement. Okay. So next what we have to do? The next one we have to do is here we have to substitute that simple interest. So I will write it on short form. Simple interest plus 15, that will become the compound interest of Anand, that I will write on like this way, because in place of compound interest, I can substitute this formula. Okay, so you have understood, I think. So let us substitute and find the answer. So that compound interest means what? Here we have simple interest plus 15, that is equals to X into, here we will calculate, it is the LCM, we have 20. So I will write on the 20 over here. The remaining is 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1 the whole square minus 1. So we will close that bracket. And next, what is simple interest? What is simple interest? Simple interest means what? We have already know x plus 10. So x by 10, sorry, x by 10 plus 15, that is equals to x into this one will calculate means 21 divided by 20 the whole square minus 1 we have, that we will put the bracket. It is most important to put that bracket. If you leave it will be wrong, so keep that bracket. Okay, so next we will continue. So here again we can take the LCM is 10 here, so it will remain x here and it will remain 10 into 15 is 150. Okay, so I think you have no doubt in this, so x will be remaining here. And here we can calculate 21 square is a 441 divided by 20 square is 400, because this square I have to take it for both, minus 1. Again here we have to take the what, again LCM, x is common, so 441 minus the 400 is LCM, so it is 400 into 1 is 400, so it is x into 441 minus 400 is 41 divided by 400. And here we have x plus 150, that divided by 10 we have. So let us continue. We have to find the x value. So to find that x value, first thing we will take this 10 on the other side. If we will take, it will multiply. Obviously 0 get cancelled, the 400 and 0. So obviously here only we can cancel it. 0 and this 0 we can cancel directly. So remaining is x plus 150, that is equals to 41x. Remember I have written that 41 first, then x, then divide by 40. Now this 40, what this work we have to do is 40 we have to bring it to the left hand side. When you will bring the 40 on the left hand side, what will happen? That 40 we have to multiply with this both, that is equals to 41x. This is the last final thing we have. 40 into x, 40 into 150, multiply 40 into x is 40x, 40 into 150 is 6000 is equals to 41x. So now last is the 40 we will shift on the other side, because unknown thing is 41 and 40, so 6000 will remain here, that is equals to 41 my x minus 40x, because it is a positive 40x here. When you shift it will be minus 41 minus 40 is x, 1x, that is equals to 6000. So this 6000 is nothing but that is the x we have taken as what, the principal amount. Therefore principal amount of Kamal and Anand, both of them are given the same principal amount, they have kept for same principal amount, that is 6000 rupees. This is the answer we will think, but actually this is not the final answer. They have asked us to find the compound interest and simple interest. So what is the work now? So we will go back, and here we have that simple interest received by the Kamal, that is SI, simple interest is equals to x by 10 we have, that we will find. And compound interest what they have received, that is 15 more, no? Here we have the one more formula that received by Anand, that we will find. So simple interest received, okay, simple interest received by Kamal, that we know that simple interest formula is equals to x by 10 we got on the previous way. Xy is nothing but the principal amount, that's 6000 divided by 10. So obviously how much rupees? Rupees 600, that is received by Kamal, the simple interest. So compound interest received by Anand. Now we have to go for the Anand received, that is obviously they have given simple interest plus 15 rupees more they have given. So how much? 600 plus 15, that will become rupees 615. So this is your 3 answer. So this one I might have think that you have understood this exercise 3b, in that the 5th question and ICSE syllabus, and I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel how much it is possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.